Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photos into squishy videos with AI. So nowadays, my TikTok has filled with someone turned their photos into a squishy video where their, for example, their selfies turn into a squishy that you can squeeze with your hand. So if you want to make that squishy trend fun video, you can follow these steps right here. So here I'm going to use only my phone to create that squishy videos. You can use this Wing app that you can download from the Google Play Store. So this is the Wing app that I'm talking about. You can just open the apps, and here on the homepage you'll easily spot this AI squishy feature. So this is a new feature on Wing, AI Squish. So what you need to do is you can just upload your photos into Wing and it will turn into a squishy video. So these are the example of how your photos will look like. And to start, you can just open this. You can click on this, or you can also click on this AI Squish. Okay, so in Wing you can have up to 5 free uses. So after the that 5 free uses is running out, you need to pay for it if you want to create this squishy videos again. So to start, you can just tap on generate in here at the bottom, and then you can choose the photos that you want to turn into a squishy video. You can just click on the photos. For example, in here I'm going to use these photos right here. You can click on the photo, and just like that, the the Wing will generate the photos into a squish. So it will generating with AI, and the estimated times is now 5 minutes. So if you don't want to wait, and you can just click on the view later, and you can get back to the apps later to see the results. So I'm going to just click on the view later, for example, in here. And then when you want to see the result, you can get back to the app. You can open the AI Squish again and go to the recent tasks. And here you can click on the result by clicking on this photos that you processing before. You can click on it, and then now it's safe. You can just click on it again to see the result. So this is now my photos has become in a squishy, and it also comes with a sound effects. So you can just turn off the volume and play it again. So this is the result. It's kind of cute though. So after this, don't forget to click on the save button at the top to save your squishy videos. So that's how you can turn photos into a squishy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.